In the corner of the bookstore, covered in a cloth, Maya noticed an intriguing item, an antique paintbrush with a golden handle and bristles that shimmered like stardust. Beside it was a note from Mrs. Maple that read, "The magic paintbrush. Paintbrush, unleash your imagination and paint your dreams into reality." Excitement bubbling within her, Maya decided to give it a try. She carefully unwrapped the magic paintbrush and dipped it into a small vial of shimmering paint that Mrs. Maple had left for her. With a stroke of the brush, Maya painted a simple swirl in the air. To her astonishment, the swirl transformed into a sparkling butterfly that fluttered around the room. Maya's eyes widened with wonder as she realized the magic within the paintbrush. Mrs. Maple, appearing from behind a bookshelf, smiled knowingly. "The magic paintbrush is a gift for those with a heart full of imagination," Mrs. Maple explained. "Use it wisely, and it will bring your dreams to life." Maya was overjoyed. With the magic paintbrush in hand, she ventured into the village, bringing colors and enchantment to every corner. Flowers blossomed in vibrant hues, and the once gray buildings were adorned with whimsical murals that seemed to dance with life. Word of Maya's magical paintbrush spread throughout the village, and soon, children and adults alike gathered in the town square to witness the wonders she created. Maya, with a twinkle in her eye, painted scenes of fantasy, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. As Maya continued to paint her dreams into reality, she encountered a lonely old tree on the outskirts of the village. Its branches were bare, and it seemed to sigh with a melancholic breeze. Maya felt a connection with the tree and decided to use the magic paintbrush to bring it to life. With careful strokes, Maya painted leaves of every color, turning the old tree into a vibrant masterpiece. As the last stroke touched the canvas of the air, the tree came alive with a rustling of leaves. It thanked Maya for bringing color and life back to its branches. The enchanted tree became a symbol of hope and rejuvenation for the village. Maya's magic extended beyond the town square, touching the hearts of the villagers and transforming their lives. The once quiet village now thrived with laughter, color, and a sense of wonder. However, Maya soon realized that the magic paintbrush came with a responsibility. As she painted, she could sense the emotions and dreams of the villagers. Their joys and sorrows became intertwined with the strokes of her brush, and Maya felt a deep connection to the community she had brought to life. One day, a troubled farmer named Oliver approached Maya with a heavy heart. His crops were failing, and the village faced the threat of a harsh winter. Maya, determined to help, took the magic paintbrush and painted a field of golden wheat that swayed in the breeze. The wheat flourished overnight, and the once failing crops now stood tall and abundant. The village rejoiced, and Oliver, with tears in his eyes, thanked Maya for the magic she had brought to their lives. As Maya continued to use the magic paintbrush for the well-being of the village, she also learned about the power of empathy and compassion. The brush became a bridge between her heart and the hearts of the people she touched with her magical creations. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Maya sat by the enchanted tree, contemplating the lessons she had learned. Mrs. Maple appeared beside her, her kind eyes filled with wisdom. "The magic paintbrush has not only brought color to your village but has also revealed the colors within your own heart," Mrs. Maple said. "Remember, Maya, true magic lies not just in the strokes of a brush but in the love and compassion behind each creation." Inspired by Mrs. Maple's words, Maya decided to use the magic paintbrush to create a masterpiece that would resonate with the emotions of the villagers. She painted a mural that depicted moments of joy, sadness, and the strength that came from unity and understanding. As the last stroke fell, the mural glowed with a radiant light, and a gentle breeze swept through the village. The magic paintbrush had woven the emotions and stories of the villagers into a tapestry of shared experiences. The following day, the villagers gathered around the mural, touched by the emotions that emanated from the vibrant colors. Maya, now a symbol of inspiration and compassion, felt a deep sense of gratitude for the journey the magic paintbrush had taken her on. In the years that followed, Maya continued to use the magic paintbrush not just to paint scenes of wonder but to bring healing and connection to her community. The once quiet village had transformed into a haven of shared dreams, where every stroke of the brush carried the collective spirit of its inhabitants. And so, in the quiet village nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, the magic paintbrush became a cherished legacy, reminding everyone that true magic is not just in the creation of enchanting scenes but in the ability to paint a world filled with empathy, understanding, and the colors of the human heart. Title: The Symphony of Stars. In a small town named Celestia, where twinkling stars adorned the night sky like a cosmic tapestry, there lived a young girl named Luna. Luna was an avid stargazer, spending her nights on a cozy blanket beneath the vast expanse, marveling at the celestial wonders that sparkled above. One fateful night, as Luna lay gazing at the stars, a shooting star streaked across the darkness, leaving behind a trail of shimmering stardust. Luna's heart skipped a beat as she made a wish with all her might. Little did she know that her wish was about to set into motion a magical adventure that would unfold in the realm beyond the night sky. As Luna drifted into a peaceful sleep, she found herself standing in a celestial landscape bathed in the soft glow of moonlight. The stars above twinkled like diamonds, and a gentle breeze carried the sweet fragrance of stardust. Luna realized she had stepped into a world where dreams and wishes took on a life of their own. Before her stood a majestic figure, a celestial being with a flowing robe adorned with constellations. The being introduced herself as Seraphina, the guardian of dreams. She explained that Luna's wish had summoned her to embark on a journey to collect the scattered melodies of the Symphony of Stars, a cosmic harmony that echoed through the universe. Dear Luna, your wish has called upon the magic of the stars. Will you join me on a quest to gather the melodies and restore the Symphony of Stars to its celestial brilliance? Seraphina asked, her eyes gleaming with celestial wisdom. Excitement bubbling within her, Luna nodded in agreement, ready to embark on a magical adventure beyond the realm of her wildest dreams. Seraphina handed Luna a silver key that shimmered with the essence of the stars. The key, she explained, would unlock the portals leading to different star realms, each holding a unique melody essential to the Symphony of Stars. With the key in hand, Luna and Seraphina soared through the cosmic expanse, traversing constellations and galactic wonders. Their first destination was the Crescent Moon Sanctuary, a tranquil realm where moonbeams wove melodies into the fabric of the night. In the sanctuary, Luna and Seraphina encountered Lumina, the moonlight guardian, whose silver harp resonated with the soothing lullabies of the crescent moon. Luna, inspired by the celestial beauty around her, contributed her own melody, blending it with Lumina's moonlit tunes. As the melodies intertwined, a shimmering orb of stardust formed, holding the essence of the crescent moon's harmony. With the first melody collected, Luna and Seraphina journeyed to the stellar gardens, where starflowers bloomed in hues of blue and silver. The stellar gardens were guarded by Celestia, a radiant being whose laughter echoed through the cosmos like a celestial symphony. In the gardens, Luna and Celestia danced among the starflowers, their movements creating ripples of harmonious melodies. As they twirled and spun, Luna's laughter blended with Celestia's celestial song, giving birth to a radiant bloom, the cosmic harmony flower. It cradled the essence of laughter and joy, a vital melody for the Symphony of Stars. The next destination on their cosmic quest was the Nebula Nexus, a vibrant realm where swirling nebulae painted the cosmic canvas with hues of pink, purple, and gold. Luna and Seraphina were welcomed by Nova, the nebula weaver, whose threads of stardust wove tales of cosmic wonders. In the Nebula Nexus, Luna contributed her dreams to the celestial tapestry, and Nova's threads embraced them with radiant brilliance. As the dreams and cosmic tales merged, a celestial nebula painting emerged, a masterpiece that held the dreams and aspirations of the universe. The Symphony of Stars continued to take shape with each realm Luna and Seraphina visited. From the comet cascades, where shooting stars composed fiery melodies, to the galaxies of whispers, where cosmic secrets hummed in the celestial winds, Luna's heart resonated with the magic of the cosmos. As Luna and Seraphina collected melodies, they noticed a change within Luna herself. The stardust that clung to her skin sparkled with newfound wisdom and cosmic energy. She had become a vessel of the Symphony of Stars, carrying its magic within her. The final destination on their cosmic quest was the Astral Observatory, a place where the celestial melodies converged into a symphony that echoed across the universe. Luna and Seraphina stood before the cosmic conductor, a celestial being whose baton commanded the dance of stars. With the melodies gathered from each realm, Luna and Seraphina presented the shimmering stardust orbs, the essence of the crescent moon's harmony, the laughter and joy of the cosmic harmony flower, the dreams woven into the celestial tapestry, the fiery melodies of the comet cascades, and the cosmic secrets whispered in the galaxies of whispers. The cosmic conductor nodded in approval as Luna stepped forward, her heart pulsating with the magic of the stars. With a graceful wave of the baton, the symphony of stars commenced. The celestial melodies intertwined, creating a harmonious crescendo that resonated throughout the cosmos. As the symphony of stars reached its zenith, Luna felt a surge of celestial energy within her. She closed her eyes, and when she opened them, she found herself back beneath the night sky of Celestia, the silver key clutched in her hand. Seraphina, her celestial guide, stood beside her, her eyes reflecting the gratitude of a cosmic guardian. "Dear Luna, you have not only restored the symphony of stars but have become a part of its everlasting magic. The cosmos will forever cherish your contribution to the celestial harmony." With a gentle touch, Seraphina transformed the key into a radiant constellation that adorned Luna's wrist, a reminder of her cosmic journey and the magic she had woven into the symphony of stars. From that day forward, Luna continued to gaze at the night sky with newfound awe and gratitude. The stars above whispered tales of her celestial adventure, and the symphony of stars echoed in the hearts of those who looked up in wonder. And so, in the small town of Celestia, where twinkling stars adorned the night sky like a cosmic tapestry, Luna's magical journey became a timeless tale, a story of dreams, melodies, and the cosmic symphony that unites the universe in celestial harmony. Title: The Enchanted Lighthouse. In the quaint seaside town of Mariner's Cove, where the scent of salt water mingled with the gentle breeze, stood an old lighthouse with a tale woven into its bricks and beams. The Mariner's Beacon, as it was known, had watched over the town for generations, guiding ships safely to harbor through stormy nights. At the heart of this coastal community lived a young girl named Amelia. With her unruly curls and curious blue eyes, Amelia had always been drawn to the allure of the lighthouse. She would spend hours watching its glowing beams sweep across the horizon, imagining the adventures it had witnessed over the years. One stormy evening, as the sea roared with fury and rain battered against the windows, Amelia's grandfather, Captain Silas, gathered the townsfolk in the warmth of the Mariner's Cove Inn. Gathered around the flickering fireplace, Captain Silas began to recount a tale that had been passed down through generations, the legend of the Enchanted Lighthouse. According to the legend, the Mariner's Beacon was not merely a guide for ships, it held a magical secret within its towering structure. Every century, under the light of a rare blue moon, the lighthouse would awaken with a magical glow, revealing a hidden passage that led to a mystical realm. Amelia listened with wide-eyed wonder as her grandfather spoke of a magical world beyond the stormy seas, a place where sea nymphs danced on moonlit waves, mermaids sang enchanting melodies, and underwater castles shimmered with iridescent colors. The townsfolk, captivated by the tale, exchanged knowing glances, their eyes reflecting a blend of skepticism and fascination. Captain Silas, with a twinkle in his eye, assured them that the Enchanted Lighthouse was more than just a navigational aid, it was a bridge between the ordinary and the extraordinary. As the blue moon cast its ethereal glow upon Mariner's Cove, a sense of anticipation enveloped the town. Amelia, fueled by curiosity and a childlike belief in magic, decided to explore the lighthouse on the eve of the blue moon. Guided by the legend, she hoped to uncover the enchanted realm that lay hidden within the beacon. Under the silvery light of the blue moon, Amelia climbed the spiraling staircase of the Mariner's Beacon. The air hummed with an otherworldly energy, and as she reached the top, the lighthouse seemed to pulse with a faint glow. Amelia hesitated for a moment, her heart pounding with a mixture of excitement and trepidation. Summoning her courage, Amelia touched the cold bricks of the lighthouse. To her amazement, the bricks shimmered with a celestial light, revealing a hidden doorway. With a deep breath, she stepped through the passage and found herself in a magical world that surpassed her wildest dreams. Amelia stood on the shores of the Celestial Bay, a realm bathed in the soft glow of moonlight. The sea sparkled with silver ripples, and ethereal creatures danced beneath the surface. Towering cliffs adorned with luminescent flowers framed the bay, and a gentle melody echoed through the air. As Amelia explored the Celestial Bay, she encountered mystical beings who welcomed her with open arms. Sea nymphs twirled in graceful circles, their laughter harmonizing with the gentle waves. Mermaids sang enchanting melodies that echoed across the bay, and playful dolphins leaped in joyous arcs. Amelia felt as though she had stepped into a living painting, where every color, sound, and movement was a symphony of enchantment. The air was filled with the scent of celestial blooms, and a sense of peace and wonder wrapped around her like a comforting cloak. In the heart of the celestial bay stood the moonlit citadel, an underwater castle adorned with iridescent shells and coral. Amelia was welcomed by the moonlit queen, a regal mermaid with a crown of moonstones. The queen revealed that the enchanted lighthouse served as a portal between Mariner's Cove and the celestial bay, bridging the realms with magic.